It will set up a new pathway, a new visa pathway for foreigners of extraordinary ability who are committed to supporting the United States for a payment of $1 million to the U.S. Treasury, or if a corporation is sponsoring them, $2 million by that corporation, and that will give them access to expedited visa treatment as part of this new Gold Card program.
Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump mengumumkan dirinya akan mulai menjual visa kartu emas dengan potensi jalur cepat menuju kewarganegaraan AS bagi orang kaya. Tindakan itu untuk merombak sistem visa bagi orang asing kaya dan berketerampilan tinggi. Dalam obrolan Trump dengan Menteri Perdagangan AS Howard Lutnick pada Jumat 19 September 2025, Presiden AS itu memikirkan cara agar WNA berketerampilan tinggi untuk bisa tinggal lebih lama di Washington. Muncullah program kartu emas yang bisa menguntungkan kedua belah pihak.
So historically, the employment-based green card program let in 281,000 people a year. And those people, on average, earned $66,000 a year on average, and they were 5 times more likely to go on assistance programs of the government. So we were taking in the bottom quartile, below the average American. It was illogical. The only country in the world that was taking in the bottom quartile. So what we are doing now is we are going to stop doing that. We're going to only take extraordinary people at the very top. Instead of people trying to take the jobs from Americans, they're going to create businesses and create jobs for Americans. And this program will raise more than $100 billion for the Treasury of the United States of America.
Which we'll use for cutting taxes and paying down debt. We think it's going to be very successful. Essentially, we're having people come in, people that in many cases, I guess, are very successful or whatever. And they're coming in, they're going to spend a lot of money to come in. They're going to pay as opposed to walking over the borders. And they may come from jails, prisons, and everything else. These people don't. They're very productive people. And they're going to pay $1 million. The corporation is going to pay $2 million. And it's going to raise billions and billions of dollars, which is going to go to reduce taxes, pay off debt, and other good things. So.
Kartu emas Trump tersedia dengan biaya pemrosesan dan kontribusi sebesar $1 juta AS atau sekitar 16,6 miliar rupiah setelah verifikasi. Adapun kartu Platinum Trump yang akan tersedia dengan biaya $5 juta AS atau sekitar 83 miliar rupiah memungkinkan warga asing menghabiskan hingga 270 hari tanpa dikenakan pajak atas pendapatan non-AS. Namun akan ada tantangan hukum dan kritik luas bahwa Trump melampaui kewenangan presidensial dengan mengabaikan Kongres. Sebab, rencana ini masih perlu disetujui oleh Kongres. Pada bulan Februari lalu, Trump telah mengumumkan kartu emas itu bisa menggantikan visa investor. Di lain sisi, perubahan tersebut akan menghasilkan kenaikan harga yang mengejutkan bagi para investor dan pekerja berketerampilan tinggi jika lolos uji hukum.